Hello brother and sister. Today I will going to give a review for a Xiaomi power strip. In front of us, here is the power strip itself. And as we know, this power strip is already in market for several years, and this is the fourth unit that I have. So the quality is remarkable and very strong. So I still keep buying the item until today. And here's the unit. They are available in two different color. This one is black and the other is white. And it's written in here the maximum capacity of the watt it can withstand is 2500 watt maximum, and it also has a 3 port of your USB in here. So this power strip from Xiaomi quality is needless to explain anymore because I still keep buying them. This is the fourth unit that I have. So I will measure the weight. $340 grams. If you never try this power strip or extension power plug with cable, I suggest you to try it out yourself because it is very durable for years to come. It is around 22.5 centimeter, 4 centimeter for a width, and the thickness is around less than 2.5 centimeter, or it is 2.5 centimeter. And the head plug itself just come in one variant, the Australia plug or China plug. I think that's all, brother and sister. This is a short review for the item that I like very much. Thank you for watching this video.